Hello everyone, my name is Nate and I work with TMAC, which stands for Texas Manufacturing Assistance Center. And before getting started, this all wouldn't be possible without our South Central Thriving Community Technical Assistance Center partners. And really just our whole goal is to build a thriving community for all. So a little bit about TMAC. We are dedicated to really just accelerating profitable growth and delivering value to manufacturers. TMAC was established through the National Institute of Standards and Technology, or NIST, as part of a national effort to support manufacturing in the United States. And we are one of the Manufacturing Essential Partnerships, or MEP centers, which exist in every state across the US. And these centers are specifically designed to support small and medium-sized manufacturers by providing them with the tools and expertise that are needed to thrive in today's competitive market. And TMAC has multiple locations across Texas, strategically placed to serve manufacturing throughout the state. So this allows us to provide really to support and ensure that we are accessible to all Texas manufacturers, no matter where you are located. And our proof really is in the numbers. TMAC has made a significant impact, helping over 6,200 organizations across Texas, improving their operations and making sure we are achieving their goals. And our efforts have led to an increase in efficiency, reduced costs, and enhanced competitiveness for the businesses that we serve. And our commitment to sustainability, we are committed and really just in creating best practices for the manufacturers we support. Our goal is to help businesses lower expenses, improve operational efficiencies, and really just build a sustainable future that benefits both their bottom line and the environment. Which kind of leads to my first question, what is sustainability? And sustainability is built on three fundamental pillars: planet, people, and governance. And these pillars exist to ensure that our actions today are not just beneficial for the present, but also secure and prosperous for the future. And each pillar addresses a critical aspect of sustainability. And these three pillars are designed to guide organizations in making decisions that consider the full spectrum of sustainability. So the planet pillar emphasizes our environmental impact, ensuring that we use resources wisely and, we minimize the harm around us. The people pillar focuses on, the well-being of our employees and communities, recognizing that social equity and engagement are really just key to long-term success. And finally, the governance pillar ensures that our business practices are ethical, transparent, and really just aligned with our long-term goals. But to truly thrive, it's essential to be strong in all three of these categories, which I refer to as being in the sustainability zone. This is really the optimal state where a business or entity effectively balances environmental, social, and governance responsibilities. When we operate in the sustainability zone, we not only contribute positively to the world around us, but also position ourselves for long-term resilience and success. Achieving this balance is where we all want to be, as it represents kind of the sweet spot where sustainability is fully integrated into the core of operations, really leading to the enduring value for all stakeholders. So this kind of leads us into the planet pillar, which emphasizes our responsibility to protect and preserve the environment. This involves reducing waste, ensuring proper disposal practices, and efficiently managing natural resources like energy, natural gas, and water. By focusing on these areas, we not only minimize our environmental footprint, but also contribute to the long-term health of our planet. For example, implementing waste reduction strategies can lead to significant cost savings and resource conservation, while optimizing energy and water use can help reduce our dependency. So moving on to the people pillar, this highlights the importance of social responsibility, which revolves around the well-being of our employees and the communities we serve. Ensuring employee retention and safety are critical components of this pillar, as a motivated and secure workforce drives productivity and innovation. Additionally, active community participation strengthens our social license to operate, building trust and really just fostering positive relationships with our stakeholders. By investing in our people, we not only enhance their quality of life, but also build a more resilient and inclusive organization. And last but not least, the governance pillar focuses on the structures, policies, and practices that guide our decision-making process. And effective governance is key to driving economic growth, managing our risks and ensuring our business practices positively impact society and the environment. Additionally, strong governance enhances our brand image, reinforcing our commitment to sustainability in the eyes of customers, investors, and maybe other stakeholders. But by integrating sustainability into our governance frameworks, we create a solid foundation for really just long-term success and resilience in a changing world. Please check out our other videos on how your organization can get into the sustainability zone. Thank you all for watching.